let me show you these shoes. They are from SAS, S-A-S, which is probably for older people, but I don't care because I am older, right? Good morning, everybody. We're going to brunch or lunch. No, I'll say brunch with some friends, some old co-workers that I have not seen in years. Fun fact about me. Hold on, I got a phone call. So yeah, I don't think I ever talked about this, but anyway, so I know these people because we used to work at Warner Brothers together. I used to work in HR at Warner Brothers Studios before I became a teacher. So that was a whole nother life. So these people, these are two people that I used to work with that I love so much, and we just haven't gotten together. It's a guy, it's a girl, I'm excited. So anyway, I'll bring you guys along. I'm trying to get dressed and I'm trying to get out of here in 30 minutes. We're done. Okay. So I kept my hair braided up from yesterday. I washed it. I'm not taking it out. I'm wearing it like this because I like it. And then I have this cute little blue jean dress on with some, let me show you the shoes. Hold on. Let me show you these shoes. They are from SAS, S-A-S, which is probably for older people, but I don't care because I am older, right? And then this cute little dress from Old Navy. It has pockets, blue jean dress. I'm very simple, and that's it. I don't carry my little purse. My hair is staying braided up from yesterday. Quick little Amazon jewelry haul. Look at this. Cute, right? Little studs. And then these came in like it might have been like 6 packs of earrings. Really cute though, right? Lunch was so good. I was so happy to see my friends. It was almost emotional. You know how when you see people that you really connect with and you haven't seen them for years and then you see them again, it was just great. Now though, I'm at my sister's house, and every time I come here, I get flowers from her garden. So I had already cut one. I am gonna get a few more and then I'll take them home and pot them. So I feel like a better plant would be. Yeah, a little cucumber. See, in the grocery store, they would put that one, they wouldn't even put that one out because it's not perfect. But it looks good to me. Traffic is trafficking. It is 102 degrees. Now it says 101. Ooh, it went down. But this traffic is heavy. I will be home though in 40 minutes. I gotta go return something at Nordstrom and then I'll be home. Anyway, traffic is trafficking.